Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change volume without buttons on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named accessibility. Click on it and here go to this tab which is named interaction and dexterity. We can also see this function which is named assistant menu. We would need to enable it by clicking on this slider, and also we would need to allow that the assistant menu will have full control of our phone. So I click allow and here is it. You can see this assistant menu icon which looks like 4 little squares, and by clicking on it we can see some useful functions, but we are interested on the volume. We would need to click on it, and here we would be able to adjust it by moving this dot around this slider or by clicking on the plus or minus. And also here we can switch the volume not only of the media but also of the ringtone. By clicking on this media word we can switch to the ringtone and choose sound, vibrate, mute, or we can adjust the sound also by moving this dot around the slider. Then we can close the assistant menu, and this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.